Today, I'm going to show you how to change a GMC key fob battery. Right here, I have a GMC key fob battery. I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's a relatively simple process, and I'm going to guide you through it. But if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So here's my GMC key fob battery, as it says on the back of the key fob. What you're going to do to change the battery is you're first going to remove the physical key. So you're going to find a button on the side of the GMC key fob battery. And I found that button and I'm going to press it. And when I press it, it is going to release the physical key. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to press this button and I'm going to press this button and pull up on the physical key at the same time. So press the button and I pulled out the physical key. Now that I pulled out the physical key, I'm going to look inside of the key fob and you'll see there is a groove or an area, a pit where I can place the tip of the key, the physical key from the key fob, and I'll place it inside of that groove. And when I do that, it is ready to be pried open. So what I'll do is I'll take the key and then I can pry it open back and forth, or maybe twist it. And there's a space right there. And then I'll just tilt it until it pops open. And I popped it open. And now there is the old battery. And what I'll do is I'll place the back panel down. And if there's any dust, you want to brush that off or get that off, as well as on this part right here, you want to remove the dust. So now that I have this exposed, I have the battery. It is the model CR2450. This happens to be a Panasonic, but as long as you have the right model number, it should work properly. So that is CR2450. I'm going to take the tip of the key, the physical key that I had, and then I'm going to find notches that the key can fit in on near the battery. There's one right here, and I believe there's one right here as well. And the point of this is I'll put the key in and then wedge it out the battery. It pops up. And it's important to note that the flat side of the battery is facing up, where the side that isn't completely flat is face down. So you'll take this old battery, which is a CR2450, discard of it, and get a fresh battery that is CR2450. Let me repeat that, CR2450. And then you'll place it back into the compartment. See, I'm placing it underneath the groove, and then simply press down, it clicks into place. Then I'll take the back panel and I'll line it up, and then I'll simply press down and it'll click into place. Clicked into place. You can test it out to see if it works. It still works. And then I'll take the physical key and I'll place the physical key back into place. Let it snap into place. And that is how you replace a battery on a GMC key fob. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.